Hi, hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, Sarah. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous. Everything is new for me.
Don't worry, you're doing great. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria. And you?
I'm from Canada. That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English. And you?
I'm a student too. I love learning new languages.
Wow, that's nice. Why are you learning English?
Because English helps me meet new people, like you.
Ah, thank you. I want to speak English confidently.
You will. Just practice every day. We can practice together.
Really? That's great. Thank you so much.
Of course. Let's start now. So, Tom, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing football. It makes me happy. What about you?
Nice. I like reading books and watching movies.
Oh, cool! What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies. They make me laugh a lot.
Me too. Maybe we can watch a movie together one day.
Yes, that would be fun.
Sarah, do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. And you?
Wow! I have one brother. Just one. My family is small.
Small families are nice too. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. And you?
No, I live alone, but I talk to my family every day. So, Tom, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. And you?
6 a.m.? Wow. I wake up at 7:30. I like sleeping.
Ha ha! I like sleeping too, but I must wake up early for school.
I understand. What do you do after school?
I practice English for 1 hour. I want to improve.
Great job. You're really motivated.
Sarah, what is your favorite food?
Oh, I love pizza. And you?
I love rice and chicken. It is very tasty.
Yummy. I like that too. Do you cook?
A little bit. I can cook eggs. Only eggs.
Haha, that's a start. Tom, what is your biggest dream?
My dream is to speak English very well and travel abroad.
That's a beautiful dream. Where do you want to travel?
I want to go to Canada. Maybe I will visit you.
Yes, you're welcome anytime.
Thank you. And what is your dream?
My dream is to become a teacher and help people learn languages.
You're already helping me.
Aw, thank you, Tom.
Sarah, can we meet again tomorrow to practice English?
Yes, of course. Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Perfect. I will bring my notebook.
Great. And I will bring some fun exercises.
I'm excited already.
Tom, I had a great time talking with you today.
Me too, Sarah. Thank you for being so kind.
You're welcome. You speak very well. Keep going.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Tom.
Sarah, I don't know why, but I feel very happy when I talk to you.
Really? Me too, Tom. You make me smile a lot.
That's nice to hear. I thought maybe I was the only one.
No, you're not. I feel comfortable with you, like we've known each other for a long time.
Sarah, you're very kind. And your smile, it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Tom. You're very sweet, and you have very warm eyes.
Really? No one told me that before.
Well, now you know.
You know, Sarah, I was nervous today. Everything was new for me.
I understand. But you're not alone now.
Yes, because you're here.
Exactly, and I'm happy to be here with you.
Sarah, can I tell you something?
Of course, Tom. Tell me anything.
When I think about the future, I imagine meeting good people. And today, I think I found one of them. You.
Tom, that's very sweet. I think you're special too, maybe more than you know. It's a beautiful day. Do you want to walk a little with me?
Yes, I would love that.
Good, let's walk. I like spending time with you.
I like spending time with you too. A lot. Sarah, today feels different. Better.
Why?
Because I met you.
Tom, you're making my heart smile.
Then I'm happy. Because you make mine smile too.
Tom, can I ask you something?
Anything.
Do you want to continue learning English with me every day?
Yes. Not only English. I want to learn life with you.
Tom, that's beautiful. I had a wonderful time today.
Me too. Maybe the best in a long time.
Can we meet again? Not only for English, but for us?
Yes, Sarah, I want that.
Then it's a date.
A date with you. Perfect.
See you tomorrow, Tom.
See you tomorrow, Sarah.
The next day, Sarah and Tom meet again. But today is different. Today is their first date.
Hi, Tom. You're here. You look great today.
Hi, Sarah. Thank you. You look amazing.
Aw, thank you. Are you ready for our little date?
Yes. I'm excited and a little nervous.
Don't worry, Tom. It's just you and me. Let's enjoy the day. Look at the flowers, Tom. They are so beautiful today.
Yes, very beautiful, but not as beautiful as you.
Tom, you're too sweet.
I'm just honest.
I feel happy when we walk together.
Me too. Being next to you feels peaceful.
Let's sit here. The view is nice.
Good idea.
Tom, tell me more about your life. I want to know you better.
Well, I grew up in a small town. I had a simple life. But I always had big dreams.
What kind of dreams?
To meet good people, to learn, to travel, and maybe to love someone special.
Someone special?
Yes, maybe someone like you.
Tom, my heart is warm right now. Can I tell you a secret?
Yes, of course.
Yesterday, when you said you were happy to talk to me, I felt something new.
I felt it too. I think we understand each other in a special way.
Yes, we connect easily.
It's like my heart speaks before my mouth.
And my heart listens.
You're beautiful when you smile, and also when you don't smile.
And you're charming, like even when you're nervous.
I'm nervous now.
Don't be. I'm here. Do you want ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Great, let's buy some. What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. And you?
Strawberry. Maybe one day we share one ice cream.
Maybe today?
Tom, you're too cute. Okay, maybe today.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Yes, Tom.
Do you like me? Not as a friend, but maybe more.
Yes, Tom. I like you. More than a friend.
Really?
Really.
That makes my day, my week, my year. Sarah, I don't want this day to end.
Me neither.
I feel like I want to stay close to you.
Then stay close. Not yet, Tom.
Not yet.
Not yet, but soon.
This was the best day I had in a long time.
Me too, Tom. You make my heart light.
Can we meet again tomorrow?
Tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after.
So, we're something now?
Yes, Tom, we are something.
A beautiful something.
Okay, Tom, I need to go, but I don't want to leave.
I don't want you to leave either.
Then think of me until we see each other again.
I will. Will you think of me too?
Every minute.
Sarah, you are special.
And you are in my heart already. I had a great time with you today.
Me too. I really enjoyed our time.
I have to go now.
Okay. I understand.
Can we see each other later?
Of course. I want to see you again.
Great. See you later, Tom.
See you later, Sarah.
Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
I saw you standing by the window light, fingers tracing patterns in the night. Words were hanging just beyond our reach, moments waiting for the truth to breathe. Let's have a conversation heart to heart. Strip away the echoes, tear the walls apart. Every single secret we've been holding on. Tell me all your stories till the night is gone. You speak in silent echo, shy and slow. I lean in closer just to let you know I'm listening to the pauses in between. Every breath you take speaks what's unseen. No need for perfect lines or polished scenes. Just open up your heart, surrender to the stream. We'll find our way when we both confess, in candid tones of hope and tenderness. Let's have a conversation, heart to heart. Strip away the echoes, tear the walls apart. Every single secret we've been holding on. Tell me all your stories, till then it's guided us. Let's talk until the sunrise paints the skies, in conversation where our truth resides.